Basically, I'm started from tech space. We are aggregating the tech space. I'm engaged with the tender cuts in Chennai. Uh, they are in retail space. I'm the investment banker for them, for tender cuts for the next round. In between, I'm connected with the Pyrogreen project that is plastic to energy, which is based in Hyderabad. They are set up a plan with TVS here in Vellore. That's why I'm come here. In between, I get an invitation in LinkedIn, this program. But before 1 year back, we are entering this thing through Pyrogreen, plastic to energy plant. Then I'm with them. Travel all across India. Then I'm connected with the company is Melham, that is based in Pune. They done almost 380 projects all across India. Then India's number one in Swachh Bharat, number one is Indo. They have done a bio CNG plant in Indo for last 4.5 years. Then done an integrated city waste management in Nasa. So this, I'm very new child in this field, but I'm learning, keep on learning and connecting the promising minds, what they are doing. Then last, the sir is there that time. Mr. John asked, yeah, he asked a bigger question and he also asked the carbon credit space. Everybody is really rooted. When I'm approaching the startups and all, climate startups, everybody rooted to the course, to the core, to the course, to the core. But there is no viable financial model, sustainable financial model or business model is going on. So in my journey, you are asking that question. That's why, that's the only reason I am here. In my journey, I didn't run any company, I'm purely in investment. But in that company, in Indo, they are making hell lot of money from waste to CPG. And I'm invested in the same project in Rudrapur, this first kind of in Uttarakhand. Government give us 25 years land. There is a solid contract for 25 years. They need to supply segregated solid waste to the energy plant. We can sell anybody. So everybody knows the conversion ratio and all depends on the raw material. So it's completely sustainable. 20-25% ROA is the bio CNG is a highest degree of money making process also, and carbon credit will get, central government subsidy will get. What I feel that there is a huge gap to aggregating the carbon credit things and the government funding schemes and the selling to the governments, and the entire ecosystem is scattered in that way. Just there is no information I need to give. I just give you the answer. Is that there is a sustainable model for the plastic to energy, waste management. I think in 80% of is looting. Waste management and energy, when we are talking, 80% of project is blah 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 and looting. But time is on. Really, we need surgeon. So just keep you informed. Thank you.